how to change age on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change your age on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to change your age on Cash App, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all open Cash App. Now normally inside of your personal details tab, you'll not find the option to actually change the age. So basically what you want to do is, even if you go to the document section, you'll be able to see the documents you've added, or you can just come to the home tab, and then when you try to just verify your identity over here, Cash App will basically prompt you to go ahead and then change your birthday over here. So let me just select buy Bitcoin. I'll select buy Bitcoin. I'll tap on next, but it'll ask me to verify my identity and then use my mobile number. Once I've done that, I'll be successfully able to change my age. Now, in case this doesn't work for you, the only way you can do it is by contacting the support team. And to contact support, tap the profile icon from the top right hand side. Scroll down over here, you'll find the option called support. You want to make sure to tap on the support option here. Once you tap the support option over here, you might want to scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll find the option called chat, where you want to just tap on the chat option, and you just need to let them know that you want to change your age or your birthday, and then they should be able to help you with that. This is simply how you can change your age on Cash App. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.